I bet you didn't know that a little paint can make a huge difference in your car's value. Let's uncover the magic behind paint touch-ups. All right, car enthusiasts, listen up. Your car's paint isn't just about looks, it's about value. Dings, scratches and chips. They can lower your car's resale value. But a quick touch-up, that's an investment. Touch-ups are perfect for those minor scratches and chips from road debris or parking lot mishaps. They're quick, cost-effective, and keep your car looking fresh without breaking the bank. Plus, they protect your car's body from rust and further damage. But when does it go beyond a touch-up? If you've got deeper dents, extensive rust, or that faded look from too much sun, it's time for a full repaint. This is a bigger job, but promises a brand new look and greater durability. Here's a tip. Always go to a pro for the best results. A reputable workshop uses high-quality materials and ensures the job is done right. Remember, a well-maintained paint job doesn't just look good, it keeps your car's value high. Ready to give your car a makeover? Share this with a friend who needs some paint love, and for more tips, visit our site. Keep those rides shiny, folks. Top Gear Auto Body Parts.